Hello, my name is Jackson Doran, and this is the pro side to our debate topic of the cost benefits of doing an initial public offering. Number one, I believe that it's important for companies on the rise to hold an initial public offering because it allows the company to access capital. By accessing capital, this allows the company to grow. Companies that are on the rise normally have needs or debts to pay, and the only way for a company to rise above the red line is through funds, and these funds come through when a company incorporates and sells shares to the public. And now also, initial public offerings allow a company, the potential owners, people who are managed the company this far, it allows them to cash in on a payday. Since these owners have held the company or have brought the company this far, they normally want to reach the total value and through these offerings, different owners can either leave a company and cash out on them, and this is the only way they can actually maximize their value is through the public's purchasing of their individual shares. And it also allows the company to grow its public perception. Since a company is held, once a company becomes public and incorporates, it's listed on the stock exchange, and this allows the company whole new avenues of exposure. And hopefully, if a company is managed soundly, this exposure will be positive and increase business. These three reasons of the benefits of access to capital. We see the creation of funds for original investors and shareholders, and we see three, that initial public offerings allow companies to maximize their value. And examples of this would be out of Forbes' top 500 companies. The top 10 companies in the world on that list, all of them have incorporated, and all of them grew through this process. We see there's one company on there that is a state-run company, but it's still it's a company in China. But the majority of companies on that list incorporated and grew substantially after the incorporation process. So the incorporation process allows companies to reach its full growth and potential.